Alright, I'm going to do a little pole sanding. No, not pole dancing. Sanding. You guys. Okay, so here's a pole sander. It's a nice tool. If those of you that aren't familiar with pole sanders, takes these type of well, you can use other different types of sandpaper, but these kind here are the best to use. For this type of stuff, the pole sanders helps with the the level of your sanding, keeps it more even, saves an arm, they can wear you out, but they've just, for this kind of sanding, when you got like a multiple amount, it's probably the easiest and the fastest. You can get down low, you can get down high. You don't have to use a ladder so much until it gets close to the top of the tiles, and then you're going to have to get up there, otherwise you're going to hit the tiles with these things. So this is a Wallboard brand. So let's try this, okay? All right, I'm gonna have to wear a mask. You don't want to breathe. You don't want to breathe sheetrock dust. I'm also gonna remove my glasses because these masks, they seal so good that the heat of your breath, it makes your glasses fog up, and it gets really annoying when that happens. So that's why I'm going to do that. This mask here, these are good masks for this kind of stuff. It seals good, doesn't get by you. Although you sometimes will have right around here in this area, because it gets just a little bit, I guess, when you're breathing. That's evident, because right here is where it catches in your skin, and you get a little bit of sheetrock dust right there on your nostrils, right there on the side. Okay, let's get this done. There's going to be some areas you may not be able to see me, I don't know, but Okay. Turned out pretty good. I just felt this one here, and it's down good where it's level with the damage to the sheetrock. Whoops, can you see it? Yeah. So went good. This one looks like it turned out pretty good. Alright. So now all I got down here, can't get this real good with the pole sander without hitting the receps, so I'll do that just with my hand. Let's see. I don't know if I can hold this for y'all to see or not. I'll try it. I like to start off with the edges. I'll feather those out. There. And then I'll just go over the middle a little bit. This one here is just kind of, it's not as bad, it wasn't as bad as the top. There we go. With a couple coats of paint, the edges ain't gonna show that much anyway. Okay. This wall's done. That wall is done. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it there. Oh man, the pole sander just fell and scared the crap out of me. Okay. I'll stop it there, and maybe I'll let y'all see me doing that whiteboard area over there. It's a massive amount of sanding. So, but these other ones like that's boring. You know, that's like what I just did over here. This side, it's boring too. There's not much going on over here. So I'll do those, and then I'll do a part 2. I put another coat on these on this one. It needs maybe one more coat. I'm thinking one more coat, and then this one over here in the center, that's going to need probably 2 to 3 more coats because it was deeper. It was a deeper situation right there. So still working on that. I'm about out of mud, so I have to see if the carpenter can get me some more mud. Put another coat on this over here. It's turning out okay. There's some spots on here that I didn't get real even, but with that last coat, you can get it a little bit better. I think that's what it needs, is maybe one more coat on this one. Okay. Yeah, this wall, I'm done mudding this wall, so I'm going to sand that here in a little bit. This one here, yeah, it has a little bit on it, but maybe I'll let you see me do these sand these pencil sharpener ones. I can show you a little bit more of how I do it. It's just the way I do it. You know, I don't know if any other painter, carpenters do it that way or not, but that's just me, you know. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I thank y'all for watching this part 1 of the sanding part. This might end up having to be, I might number it part 3, because this will be the 3rd video of me working in this little, this big classroom. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you all on. I can't see you at all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.